Are you tired of downloading CSVs from Outscraper and manually uploading them to GoHighLevel or juggling with messy workarounds? You're not alone. After seeing hundreds of GoHighLevel users requesting this integration, we built exactly what you asked for, a native tool that imports Outscraper leads into GoHighLevel with just one click. It's called Outscraper Integration, and it's now live on the GoHighLevel Marketplace. Let me quickly show you how to install it. Go to GoHighLevel Marketplace, search for Outscraper Integration, select sub accounts, and click install. That's it. You're ready to go. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. After installation, refresh your page and you'll see this tab on the left side as Outscraper Integration. Click it, connect your Outscraper account by pasting your API key. Just drop it in the field, click Start Importing. Step 2. Select any task you've already made in Outscraper. The app will fetch all the tasks automatically. Step 3. Map the columns like name, email, phone, or tags to your GoHighLevel contact fields, even custom ones. Step 4. Click Import Contacts and you're done. After this, it creates a job for every import task. Let's head to the job section. You'll see a new job there. Click the refresh button. Now you can see total rows, how many rows are processed, and if any row failed to import. Click on the job to view error rows and the exact reason why the import failed. I've run a sample earlier. Let's check it out. Here you can see why this row failed and what is the exact reason and what payload was used. Once the import is complete, your leads are instantly available in GoHighLevel, ready to nurture, tag, or drop into a campaign. This integration saves hours of manual work every week. No more spreadsheets, no more CSVs, no more workarounds, just one click automation. Need help? Email us anytime. We're happy to get you set up. Thanks for watching and happy automating.